Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a Samsung Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus or S10E. I'm going to show you two ways to download Fortnite. Now the thing is, you're probably on this video because you try to go to the Google Play Store and look for Fortnite. However, it says Fortnite is not available on Google Play. The thing is, if you have an iPhone and you go to the Apple Play Store, they do have it available. So it probably has to do something with Google and Epic Games. Epic Games is the maker of Fortnite. Anyways, I'm going to show you two ways to install Fortnite right now. This will be my first time downloading it on this S10 as well, okay? So the first way is to go through the Galaxy Store, okay? Look on your phone and look for Galaxy Store. Tap on that, and then right from here, go ahead and do a search for Fortnite. And then you'll see right here, Fortnite installer. Go ahead and download and proceed with the installer. Now the second way to do it is through Game Launcher, and that's the way I'm going to do it. Now the first thing to note is in order to get this icon to show up on your screen here, you have to enable it. So first thing is go ahead and go into your settings, tap on that gear icon, and then we want to go to Advanced Features, which is right here. Tap on Advanced Features, and then we want to look for Game Launcher, okay? So right here, let me go ahead and uncheck that. So yours by default might be unchecked here. So make sure you go ahead and pop that on there, and then this will pop up on here. Add to home screen, yes or no. I'm going to go ahead and click on add, and then once I do, I'll have that on my screen, as you can see right here. So go ahead and tap on Game Launcher now, and then you want to tap on this down here where it says discover more games. Tap on that, and then you want to simply go ahead and do a search for Fortnite. Here we go, right here. Let me tap on that. And then from here, we go ahead and tap on the download button. So let me go ahead and proceed with the download here. And then from here, we have the download button. Let me go ahead and tap on that. Now we got to tap on install and open. And from here, you can sign in with your Samsung account, or you can create a new one. Or if you want to, if you don't want to go through all that, just go ahead and continue with a Gmail email address. I do have a Samsung account, so let me put that in. All right, so this popped in now. I'll go ahead and click on allow. And now it says downloading down here. Okay, so that process took about 1 minute. Now I'm gonna go ahead and click on launch. Wow, guys, that literally took forever. I think I was sitting here for like 20 or 30 minutes. Of course, it depends on how fast your Wi-Fi connection is. Anyway, so we get to the screen here. I can go to, I can click on yes to find my account that I currently have, or I can go ahead and create a new account. Anyways, there you guys go. So I finally have it on my Samsung Galaxy S10 here, and I'm gonna compare this to my playing both games, my iPhone XS versus my Samsung Galaxy S10. So stay tuned for that video. Guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.